Are you looking to join the latest Instagram trend and make a 2022 recap reel post? Then this video tutorial is perfect for you. In this video, I'll show you how to create an exciting recap of your year, from selecting photos and videos to adding fun music and effects. With easy-to-follow steps, this video will help get your creative juices flowing as we approach the new year. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to make your own 2022 recap reel post today. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom left of the screen. And then tap on the search bar up top. Enter #2022recap and search for it. After that, tap on any one of these videos. Just make sure that the video that you choose has this Use Template button over here. If the video that you choose doesn't have that button, then find another video. Once you find a video that has the Use Template button, simply tap on it. And it will open that template. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Add Media. And then select any photo or video that you want to add to your 2022 recap. When you've finished adding them, tap the arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now Instagram will create the reel for you, so just wait a couple of seconds. Tap Next. So now all you have to do next is add some music for this if you want to, and also add some text saying, 2022 recap. And now you can simply share this reel on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.